This is the hard drive. So now we are going to uninstall and then we later install it. So you start by removing these screws. So this is the first screw and it has a second screw over here. So you remove them very carefully. Make sure that you are not injuring the other components. You place them down there. Make sure that you are not injuring other components. So after that, you remove these connecting cables. You remove it very carefully. Yeah, so now this is the hard drive. As you can see it here, it is very fragile, so you make sure you place it very carefully. So let us return it very carefully. So you start by this side. You insert it very carefully. Very carefully. So this is the first screw. So we are going to close it. Make sure you close it very tightly to ensure that it is not shaking. So this is the second screw. And we are done doing that. Oh, you return the